If you've ever wanted to have interchangeable buckles, you can use a Line 24 snap. We'll use a hand press today. I'll teach you exactly how to use it. Where is it?
Heads up.
Hey!
So the Line 24 dies come in 4 pieces, a set for the cap and socket and one for the eyelet and stud. Ho ho! Bet you didn't know the names for those? I didn't either. Let's start with a stud. Ho ho! Like a Pinot Noir to a medium rare steak, the eyelet pairs with the die with the pokey pokey. And the stud, ho ho, pairs with the smaller of the screw and die. Since we're closing the belt, the stud, ho ho, needs to face the flush side with the eyelet poking out a minimum of 1 millimeter through the stud. That's all you need. Oh, thank you. Now for the cap. Top of the morning to you, sir. Whatever dies you didn't use the last time, use that. Keep in mind that the socket goes on the flesh with the flat side on the leather, and the cap goes on the pretty side, the grain side. Apply enough pressure so that the pieces don't wiggle. If this does occur, you're out of luck. That was a joke, of course. You can just press again until it's secure. Look at that. Repeat after me. Hook up on the top of the bar and insert the short side of the belt, grain side up to keep the proper orientation of the buckle. Now you have an interchangeable belt. Well done.